I just did a little experiment here because I've done something like this before, but I'm not sure if I did exactly this. I have 2 bottles of water, or ionized water. I started out this morning pouring water, and I used the tie-ins. It came out at 7:35 this morning, and it's now like 6 in the evening, 6:05. So it's like 11 and a half, or wait a minute, no, I guess it's well, it's 10 and a half hours or something like that later. So it's been sitting all day. This has been in this bottle in the refrigerator, and this has been on top of the refrigerator. I suppose one of my daughters must have drank out of it because it's not full, but I'll still do the test anyway. So I'm gonna, this is the, it was sitting on top of the refrigerator. It's kind of like it feels a little cooler than room temperature. Actually feels kind of cool. And this has been in the refrigerator, and it feels cold. And I just want to see, first of all, it's been, about 10 hours, how much difference from this morning. This morning it was 11.04 pH and negative 756 ORP. So let's just see, start out with the pH here, and really the pH has not changed much at all, which is pretty amazing to me because it's been sitting there so long. A lot of people really wonder about that. Can they bring, can they put their water in a bottle and bring it to work with them, and will it be okay? Well, there's a 10.92 right now, and 10.93. Very little difference, because it was 11.04. So, wow, we're almost there right now. Let's see what the ORP is, though. So there was a significant drop. Maybe that might be, that is still changing a little bit. That looks like about half, maybe, of the ORP. So 348. It was negative 756, so it was considerably better earlier in the morning. So, and this is not even refrigerated, so that's kind of interesting. Let's see if we made it up to 11 yet. Almost up to 11, but not quite. All right. Well, let's do this other one. Oops, 10.99. Oh well. Let's do this other one and see. My goodness. Maybe the coldness is affecting this meter or something, because it started out lower than it is right now. That's crazy. So 11 point. That's just not normal. 11.58-ish. That's, and then negative 400. About negative 440-ish. Wow, that's better than it's not better than, negative. It was negative 756, so it's lower than that. But still, I suppose the lesson to learn here is, if you're going to store the water, and you're wondering whether storing it cold or not will improve it, then I suppose storing it cold is a good idea. Now, here's some water. I just so happened to bring this in from outside. This was sitting in my car all day long, and I didn't get a chance to drink it. I'm going to go ahead and test it, and I'm just curious because it's warm, and I wonder if we've lost a lot more of the pH and ORP. That's kind of what my prediction was, and we have. Look at that. So letting your water sit out in a car or something like that, that's not a good idea. And then let's see what the pH is. pH dropped a little bit, but yeah, the ORP, crazy. Wow, about 100, negative 190-ish, or thereabouts. Wow, that's pretty much worse than the other. So I guess cooler is better.